Good afternoon, welcome to Your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here, bringing you a quick walk around video of this gorgeous 335DM Sport X-Drive estate. A bit of a mouthful, but 3 litre twin turbo, 8-speed gearbox, 4-wheel drive estate. 313 brake horsepower on a BMW's flagship diesel engines. This one is a 2015 65 reg, so late 2015 model. It's one owner from brand new with a full BMW main dealer warranty. Service history rather. The purpose of the video is to help you make an informed buying decision. Let's take a look around at the spec and the condition. Starting at the front, we have the LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, Your Next Car styling pack, splitter, grills. We fitted these beautiful competition style 20-inch wheels which are staggered, brand new with brand new tyres, glass sidebars, decals. It's privacy glass on this one also. Colour combination is beautiful, grey on black, one of my favourites. LED rear lights, rear diffuser. Let's take a look at the boot. Automatic tailgate. Lots of room there. Folding rear seats also, conditions very, very tidy. Rear seats are Isofix. Let's take a look at the inside. Black Dakota leather, heated front seats. Heated seats there, digital climate control. As you can see, professional widescreen navigation. Take a look at the service info. Service history wise, we have 5 BMW services, last at 63. It's currently at 64,000 miles. The next oil change is due in 18,000 miles. 8-speed gearbox as I mentioned, which is paddle shift. High beam assistance, automatic wipers, automatic lights. Condition of the seats as well, really well looked after car, as you'd expect from a one owner car. That's around £40,000 brand new. All the handbooks there. This car is available on HP and PCP. Part exchange as well. Welcome. Thank you very much for watching.